My name is Roy Cardoso. I'm a hand and upper extremity surgeon at Miami Orthopedics and Sports Medicine Institute. My expertise involves everything related to the hand, wrist, forearm, and elbow. Sometimes also sports-related injuries. We see golfers, tennis players, football players who get injured. We deal with repairing bones, tendons, nerves in the arm. Age-related arthritis type conditions as well. People who come in with arthritis in their wrist, their thumb, or elbow joints also come and see me. I was first attracted to orthopedic surgery because I like using my hands to fix things. Once I was in the field of orthopedic surgery, I soon discovered that my favorite part of the body, for various reasons, was the hand. I think the hand is the brain's way of interacting in the world. It's one of, besides speaking, you use your hands to interact. But being able to help somebody restore their function in their hands is so important. It's so gratifying to be able to do that. One of the things that gives me balance in my life is my family. I have a wife and two wonderful daughters that keep me grounded. And while I'm the boss in the operating room, I'm definitely not the boss at home. And that keeps me humble and gives me drive to do well in other aspects of my life. Because I've had the benefit of training in a number of trauma centers throughout the country, I feel very comfortable taking care of complex injuries of the hand and upper extremity. And so when a patient comes and sees us, they can have the confidence that we'll know how to take care of them best.